roads are covered in shit. Hi guys, Vitally here. I've come out for a ride. It was dry and suddenly it ain't. Well, it's certainly put the kibosh on any sporty riding because it hasn't rained for a while. The roads are covered in shit. Something quite embarrassing happened this morning. I hit the button and it kind of went, ugh, and that was it. And I thought, oh no, what is that all about? And then I thought, well, maybe it's the stand. So I had a fiddle with that, took that off. That didn't seem to be it. So I went back upstairs and I thought, what if I've kill switched myself? What if I've kill switched myself? You know, is it the sort of thing that I'm likely to do? Went downstairs, went to the garage, looked at the kill switch. Sure enough, she was bumped. Flicked her back on, turned the key, and of course she started first time. So I felt like a right prat. But anyway, you live and you learn. Always thinking it's something more complicated than it is. So the moral of the story is, check the simple things before you go start poking around elsewhere. Perfect indication from the Spanish, as per usual. It sounds like a terrible thing to say, you know, to make blanket generalizations about the way people drive, you know, saying Spanish people drive crap, but it's true. They haven't understood roundabouts at all. It's a perfect indication from Mercedes there. With the visor up, it kind of looks like it might get better. We'll have to see. Oh, she is dirty. Dirty girl. That's the first time I've removed my GoPro, put it back on without taking my helmet off. What did I just... God, I'm such a divvy. I have some more of that. It's useful stuff. Let's rock. Now, it's just a bit damp, so I'm going to cool it. Yeah, tracks. God damn it. VD.
She's got the jack and who knows what else?
Change your gloves, it's a bit chilly. So far so dry. Well, that would be a nice view on a good day. So would that, I expect. Constant water. This is mountain. I'm beginning to think this is not such a good idea. No, I'm definitely certain this is not a good idea. Well, I'm now getting extremely wet, and I think the only way that I'm gonna not get wet is if I do a U-E. So that is what I'm gonna do. Get down on the deck again, because this is unpleasant. I'm not really dressed for it because I didn't expect it. Hey ho, win some, lose some. It's not actually like it's raining at all. It's like the water is suspended in the air and you're just driving through it. You're driving through a wall of water. Yeah, I really cannot see a damn thing. Look, there's a dry bit there. Woo! It's almost trying to be a nice day down here. It's just on the mountain, forget it. Yeah, check it out. In the valley, sun, just about. Abort! Abort! That is so much better. It was cold. Well, I think I've been incredibly lucky. I should thank my lucky stars I'm not getting rained on, because it sure is threatening. I think it's going to do more than threaten in a minute as well. It's a shame because it's such a peach of a road. Look at it. Yeah, it's coming down now. Oh boy, it really is. They said it might. It is. Well, bollocks. bollocks, is all I can say. Ah, shit cakes. I gambled, I lost. Hey ho. This is filthy. This is a proper Basque dousing is what this is. Right, I am now officially getting wet. Me and my big mouth. Oh, really lucky it's not raining. Well, we appear to be through it. Spoke way too soon. Please make it stop. Okay, we made it out of the shit weather. Thank goodness. I'm actually pretty dry. I should live in California. That's where I think I should live. Who ever heard of a Welshman that was bothered by rain? I think it's absolutely ridiculous, man. Ludicrous, isn't it? Okay, that got the hands warmer. Allez-y. Merci. What are you doing? We are doing 40 kilometers an hour here, boys and girls. For what? I do not know. Easter weekend, we should get some good examples of shit driving. So, I've almost dried out. Okay, so Bessie's all nice and clean. Now she's all nice and dry.